everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1971 Chevelle SS convertible. Pretty car, guys. Love the color combination. Tuxedo black. It's got the white SS stripes, the white convertible top, white vinyl interior. Pretty car. 24 miles on a fresh mechanical restoration. It's about a 7 or 8 year old body and paint restoration, or body up restoration, but they actually did the drivetrain here. It's only got 24 miles on it. Healthy 496 cubic inch stroker big block in it. Buckets, console, tach, gauges. Good looking car, man. 20-inch wheels all the way around it. When we get in closer, guys, I apologize about the water spots. We've just been battling weather all day trying to get these cars advertised. This car got stuck in the pouring down rain. It's just been a battle. Good looking car. Got the cowl hood, brand new top. So I got the top up. It got stuck in the rain here, and I have a feeling we're going to get more. It's got, as you walk around it, there's some touch-up marks I noticed on it. Still very nice. There's definitely some marks in the paint that have been touched up. You can see where they've touched up some spots right there. Hopefully we get this video in. If we don't, man, I may lose my mind here. Glass is nice. Top's brand spanking new power top. It's just a little divot in the top. It's not a hole or anything. And the back window top's actually brand new. Boy, these Chevelle convertibles are tough to come by, guys. Yeah, that's just dry. It's spit and rain, guys. There's nothing we can do. Nice and flat down the sides. Four-wheel disc brakes. Previous owner said it was actually a factory small block car. They added the big block. You see the slotted and drilled rotors. Good looking car, man. Good looking car. You see that, guys? Just a smudge from us rubbing it real quick. Again, four-wheel disc brakes, slotted and drilled rotors. Running out of daylight now. Sorry about the sprinkles, guys. That's all that is. I just want you to see that it's not bubbles. It's just sprinkling, man. Again, it's actually a 496 cubic inch big block. Holley dual feed 4-barrel, aluminum intake, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes. It does have headers, HEI distributor, 350 turbo hydromatic trans. It's got all the March aluminum pulleys and brackets on it. We're getting ready to get wet here, guys. I'm going to pick up the pace here a little bit. A little touch-up mark there. We're going to fight through it here, Jordy. We're going to get through this video. And mirrors are nice, door handles are nice. Yeah, we'll just go back and forward real quick. Yeah, you can see it's got the new door rubbers. Bucket seats, console, tilt wheel, tach. Again, tach is acting up, man. Man, I'm just having a tough time with tachs here lately. It works, but it's just not accurate. Sports steering wheel, dual exhaust, 10-bolt rear end, 373 limited slip gear. This is what my day's been like all day, man. Just rain stop, rain stop. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Got some pictures of the bottom of the car for you. It's good, solid Alabama car underneath. And like I say, a healthy big block. I know I'm rushing, guys. Man, I want to get this video done before it just downpours on us. Seats have been recovered. Got a little something on there. Blower motor does work. The radio does not work. Even though you can see the clock works in there. Aftermarket gauges. Go ahead, Jordy. Go ahead and fire it up. Again, they've replaced the door handles. Again, good running big block, guys. This thing hits. This is a good running son of a gun right here. See if I can pin this real quick. Don't worry, we'll get it all wiped back down. Good. Yeah, that tach works. Like I say, the clock works. I know that fuel gauge works too. Not really sure what it's done there. Yeah, aftermarket gauges are working down there. Yeah, it's a good running big block in there. Again, no on the radio. Gauges are working. Blower motor does work. Again, power top. Wipers, which we need right now. Jeez. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, through our YouTube page, or our Facebook page. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.